This time on Idiot Plays Witcher 3, I'm hanging out with Yennefer. We gonna steal some shit. Is it just me or is the game really dark? Powdered pearl. Nothing to say, my dear. What's this? Books. That. Dark iron ore. Whoa. Here we go. Time to snuggle up behind the tapestry.
Shh. Guards. Hide behind the tapestry.
That's what I said.
Sparrows chip, while starlings chirp.
What do jackdaws do?
Jackdaws caw. Goldfinches warble, and cranes whoop, whereas peacocks screech. Hawks scream, larks trill, and doves, they coo. That's all of them.
Gee whiz.
What about nightingales?
All right, nightingales croon.
What about Beyonce's? What about Kim Carnes's?
That was close.
Oh, yeah. Ah, lovely.
This'll be tough to open.
Surprises never end. See the ravens?
The
Hard not to.
Ermien's
Is that the
spies.
prawns?
An indication that we're near his
sure?
laboratory. I also sense a clear magic aura.
It might be weevils.
Come. There's a ledge outside this window. We must pass along it.
Yes. Pass along it, you say? Oh, yeah. What's there? Oh.
Seen uglier sights in my life.
Geralt of Rivia, being romantic.
Oh, gee whiz. Gosh darn. There's the old lighthouse that Madman Lugos was talking about. Do. What are you? Here we are. So, suppose if I needed a lot of this stuff. Uh-oh. It's a bar.
Amazing how a hobby can render a man.
Had one at Kaer Morhen.
Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to
Please.
interrupt you. Don't judge, lady. So he's into taxidermy. Not all taxidermists
alive.
are Norman Bates. It looks alive! Okay. Gonna have a fist fight with
100
the
loose an arrow if you saw that in the woods.
Yeah, I know, right? So, let's look at them all and then we can cut our finger on the doorknob. Yeah, whoa.
A basin of water.
I'll
For
probably cut out of
teleprojection,
this.
a reflection of Ermien appears on the surface. Supplicants speak to it.
Ah, don't look at the guy behind the curtain. So I explored the room. Let's go.
Ah!
Are you all right?
Youch!
Cut myself. The door's locked.
It just dosed me.
The animals. They're alive. Yen, watch out.
Holy shit, it's a rave. Spots.
Monsters.
Ouch.
Feel them. Coming closer. They're everywhere.
Hey, what's up?
good.
What the hell's going on? I can't use my gun. Stop that. I'm dead. I'm gonna get my ass kicked. Alright, I already have that right there. I cannot perform that action. Screw you. Oh, come on.
Looks alive.
Time to go again. Let's do this though, because that was a long blah blah blah. Here we go
Are you all right?
again.
Cut myself. The door's
Getting
locked.
Shrooms.
The animals. They're alive. Yen, watch out.
No, they're not. But hey,
Monsters.
okay,
Feel
stop that.
coming closer. They're everywhere.
Stop that.
What now, you piece of filth?
That's one less.
Mushroom.
To my mind, it's the scent of sweet grass.
Is that all of them? Okay, let's switch back to the fancy dress real quick before it goes into the cutscene. Ooh, I got a level. Oh, girl. Oh my god, man. The deer didn't attack me.
What's happening?
You were hallucinating. You ran at Ermien's animals, sword flailing. I had to calm you.
Did you hear the voice? That was hilarious. Oh, come on.
Must have looked strange.
Your years of vigorous training at Kaer Morhen finally paid off.
No, she's
Bested
adorbs.
nearly all the stuffed beasts in here.
Please.
No, she's adorable.
Fine. We've passed the trial of taxidermy. The door stands open.
She has a great sense of humor.
Let's go inside, Geralt.
Alright, let's go. And then at some point, we're gonna get poisoned.
Looks alive.
Not anymore. I must have missed them. But, yeah, here we go. Time for some more fun.
I'll lock the entrance. We don't want to raise suspicions.
Well, we're just gonna go get a Mask of Ouroboros. Isn't there a golem or something?
Ah, our dear druid's laboratory. We
Laboratory.
must search it thoroughly. The Mask of Ouroboros must be here.
The Mask of Ouroboros.
Letter bearing Ermien's seal. To the
Wondrous
druids.
world of
Warns them
insectoids.
about you.
Ritual plants. Ah, what do you know? Raymond Marlove. A biography enhanced.
You smoking?
Seems Ermien has real tobacco brought in.
Oh, yeah. Investigatory. Taste.
Skelliger's tales about the wild hunt.
Good.
The
good
islanders
read.
believe the wraiths sail on a longship built of the claws of death.
Pinecone.
Sorry, I
Didn't
didn't mean to
expect
interrupt
this.
you.
A large female.
Sorry, sweetie.
Goes in for light reading, too. The Corpse of Novigrad by Sasha Hadi. Dwarven triple mead.
Yes. Yes, it's Dwarven.
Laboratory worthy of an imperial alchemist.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
A goat carved out of lindenwood.
Gotta
Signed
love a goat.
to Uncle Ermien.
Oh my
Little
goodness.
Ciri's handiwork. That's what she called him when he was her tutor.
White Frost. Yes, we've read this before in the past. It's not time for stories. The skull. He's got a wand.
Ermien's wand. He's one of the few druids to use one.
Yes. I sense phoenix tail feathers.
A sword and a stone. Things begging me to pull it out.
You are not worthy.
It's not in the stone, don't you see? It's held there by a vice.
My goodness, what? Like heroin abuse? Fentanyl? Anyway, let's grab this.
A child's skull.
Creepy.
Look at this.
Nice
A
map.
detailed map of the Northern Kingdoms. Even shows spheres of influence over the ages.
Out of date.
Let's see, what does it show? So... yeah, look at her. Well, anyways, what's that? A candle? Let's do it, see? I know what to do.
Looks like Ermion places something in the statue's hand.
Yes, my balls. I'll put my balls up in his hand.
How about a mug of mead? Statue or not, everybody needs a drink sometimes.
Yes.
Seems like it worked. Who would have thunk?
I hate it when he says
Ermion
thunk.
enjoys jests achieved at the expense of others. I have
Uh-oh.
a sneaking suspicion the mask will be in here.
You have a sneaking suspicion, you say? Let's see what happens, yes. Yep, I thought so.
Geralt, come here!
There's the mask of Ouroboros.
This is it!
This is it! Fancy. But what about the thing roaming around going...
We've got it! We must return to the feast quickly before...
Got it! Yeah, he's a little pissed off at this point. He's... don't want us to have...
That's that! It's a trap! We're in prison!
Damn it.
What now?
Out. Right. Now, switch back to the clothes, because I don't want to be wearing all that when I come through the other end of this. Hey. Uh-oh.
Geralt, hear
I
that?
smell wind.
Smelled it. Gas. Grate still closed. Gotta think of
Gas.
something quick.
Think of something.
Yes?
Oh, look around for a way to escape. Like how? Well, that's really self-explanatory.
The damned druid will poison us.
My
This vapor's deadly.
goodness.
We've got but a few minutes.
Teleport us out of here.
Think of something. Quickly.
Your bedroom.
First thing to come to your mind.
Your bedroom. Let's go.
Hold on tight.
Oh yeah. Have a
Damn.
killer bum.
Tore a hole in my dress.
My
Wait a
goodness.
minute. I must mend it.
Oh my goodness. Well, this part's not going to be for
So-
YouTube.
Please. I'll enchant a needle.
Either that or I'll have to blur the... No, I'd rather just edit it. Oh, I'll make a reference. People can, if you want to comment, if you think you know what the reference is.
Turn around.
Snap your fingers and poof. Kira did it. Sometime later.
Kraken crate asked about you.
Yeah,
we went
well,
out.
He's got
For
a
a breath
croc.
of fresh air.
The claimants to the throne will step forth in a moment.
Step forth.
Now heed my words. There is no greater act of valor than to fight a beast cursed by men and gods.
Was this a plea to
No
kill
greater
Mordor?
deed than that done to serve the goddess.
I should buy for
Words
being
of
king.
uncommon beauty. We thank you. We will
Put your
take them
swords
to
away.
heart. But now,
Oh, that's right. They're gonna put him
let's
down. on the
begin.
table.
we have seen Bran off to the beyond.
Bran.
Must now choose his successor. A king must be wise. A king must command respect. A king must have bollocks.
Bollocks.
We've no lack of men like that. Let those who feel worthy of the
personally gone
throne
around
of
and
Skellige
felt?
step forth.
Swanriga, no. Yikes. He's quick. Yikes. What if it bounced off and stuck in his foot? Yes. He has a little knife. My axe. My club.
My son could not be here this day. Behold his axe.
His axe.
Behold his will.
He never uses it. Clank. Oh, come on. Don't be
May
ashamed.
the best man or woman win.
She will. I would have loaned her a sword
What's
to go
got
throw
into
in.
her?
She's your daughter, is she not?
Who cares?
Now I know why she said she'll sail to Speakerog. Ah, children.
She's
The
not a
older
child.
they grow, the more trouble
She's
there.
like 20-something, isn't she?
Come with me. All the more essential we talk now.
Essential, yes. We must have a conversation. Oh, I'm gonna get a huge experience
How was
I
it,
think,
Geralt,
here.
when Ciri was nearing womanhood? But
Center
we'll
the
speak
cam
of my
better.
children later.
There we go. That's
First,
better.
let's speak of yours.
What about my affairs?
Yennefer claims Ciri's in trouble,
Yes.
and you seek her.
That's right.
If you require aid, gold, ships, anything,
Yes.
merely say the word. I'll give you all I can.
A word.
And I know the lass lives. I'm sure of it.
What?
When the blood of Rhiannon's daughters is shed, the sea grows white with fury.
Well, it must have gotten white with
I'd
fury a
mark
lot
such
lately.
storm.
Well, the problem we need is we know where
Magic
she
anomaly
may
on
have been.
Ord Skellig somehow related to Ciri, or so Yennefer believes.
It's my strong suspicion, but I can only know for certain by examining the site.
Yes.
I saw the twisted forms. Right unnatural.
My
The
goodness.
druids were barely able to contain it.
Well,
Explain to me, Yennefer, how Ciri might have caused this great catastrophe.
well, not caused
I'm
it, it
intent
was
on learning
Avallac'h.
that very thing. Which I will do as soon as Ermion stops hindering my investigation.
Don't concern yourself with him. Druids have little trust for mages. But Ermion's heart is in the right place. Am I right to assume he does not know you seek Ciri?
It's of
Eh.
no concern to him.
Well, gee
As
whiz.
I thought.
Why don't you just tell
At any
him?
rate,
I don't get why.
Ard Skellig's my isle. You have my permission to investigate as you see fit.
My goodness. Let's ask.
Wondering if I should talk to Ermion.
Leave that to me. Go.
Yes.
Seek and find your Cyrilla.
My goodness.
If
Cliff.
any ill
Thank you
befell
very
her
much.
here on Ard Skellig on my watch, I'd never forgive myself.
Thank you.
And what
No
about your
need.
children?
I swore an oath once. I aim to keep it.
Oaths.
Anvald, tell the druid I must speak
Turncoat.
to him. At the usual spot.
Backstab.
I've one more matter to broach.
I don't
My
wear
children.
brooches.
You remember Yalmar? Well, He swore an oath to kill the giant of Undvik.
Undvik?
Set off and has yet to return.
My goodness.
Whereas Ceres announced that she's to set off on an adventure of her own.
My goodness.
Got it in her head that Udalric is not mad, but cursed.
Well, I tried to see if he had that Heim shadow, but I couldn't get an angle.
Take it Ceres wants to lift the curse.
There's no curse to speak of.
Yes, there is.
Ceres
Well,
has decided
not
she must
literally.
match Hjalmar and sort out
He's
a deed
haunted by
worthy
a
of a
mind.
queen.
Think she might need my help? You did plan to ask me for it.
It's killer
Why?
XP.
The thing is,
helping
I don't
Ceres,
trust Udalric further than I can
huge
spit.
XP, unless they've
Ceres
reduced it.
won't listen
But
to
that
me.
was like
Or her brother.
always huge. Like,
Yet confronted by a professional who will explain why she's mistaken, she just might come to her senses. So yes, I ask that you explain things to her.
I'm trying to talk like you
Bring
is
her
making my
back.
throat hurt.
Giants. They've been extinct for ages. Anyone actually seen the one on Undvik?
Aye, dozens of refugees have.
Even I have in
The
previous
giant drove
playthroughs.
everyone off the isle. I've welcomed what remains of Clan Tordarach here on Ardskellig.
I heard a rumor that an unnatural frost gripped Undvik before the giant appeared.
It's
Yeah, it was
true.
probably Avalok
At any rate, Hjalmar decided to kill the giant and give the isle back to its people. A deed worthy of a king, he believes.
Well,
My son gathered a hearty crew at the new port.
they're
They were
dead.
to sail to Undvik,
They're all dead.
then travel on foot to Oskar, the village.
My goodness.
But that many lads should have killed the giant long ago. Thus, I thought to ask you.
You should start at the new port. Ask around. Hjalmar might have told someone there his plans.
My goodness. Let's ask anyways.
Can't help wondering. Got no plans to vie for the crown yourself?
Yes.
Think a
No.
good number of the Jarls would support you.
A good number? Those opposed would be fierce, rabid. Madman Lugas would sooner see a Nilfgaardian on the throne.
Yeah, he would.
Besides, man should know when to step aside.
Yes, I
Hand the
suppose
tiller
so.
to the youth among us.
The youth among us. Well, I'll help your children.
If either Hjalmar or Ceres need help, I'll help them.
Yes, I will.
I thank you.
Well, now that we're done thanking one another, let's get to work. We must determine if Ciri is still on Ardskellig. I'll change into travel attire and find you.
Okie dokie.
Head
sweetness.
south. The anomaly we should investigate destroyed a stretch of forest along the shore of the bay.
Okie dokie.
A successful feast on all counts, Krach. I will see you later.
Excelente. Well, that weird. So what's the XP gonna be for this? Well, 480 XP. Well. Yeah. Oof. Well, let's change back into the beds. Yeah, well, So, I haven't encountered any humans shooting arrows since I stuck that in there, but I get the feeling I will. I really wish I didn't. Maybe I should swap. Because that could have been handy. Actually, let's put it here. So, haven't really thought of another. That's beautiful. Haven't thought of a new build yet. Just kind of using whatever. I figured you'd be coming.
Greetings, White Wolf. I suspected you'd come by. Bah, I was sure of it.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
The best stock
sometimes I need
armory in all Skellig is
supplies.
right here at Caer Trolda Castle.
Well,
Everyone knows it.
I'll
Well.
gladly see for myself.
Take your time. Give them all a careful look.
let's see. What do you got in stock?
Wouldn't mind a look at your stock.
Oop, we got bear school maps.
So long.
So. New maps. Bear School. Oh, yeah. A lot of maps. So, what's this gonna open? Bear School. Level 2 Bear School. Hey, get that thing over there. Level 3 Bear School. Oh, there's 3. Bear School. Wow, look at all these, man. So. Yeah, oh, old school. I was right. Ooh, part 6. Well, cool. Well, now I'm out here in Skellige.